Hi children, in that previous video we discussed up to 12 questions, no? So in this video we are going to discuss the problems from 13 onwards. Okay, so in that 13th question, see that cos of theta plus alpha, actually here mistake is there, this is theta minus alpha and this is also theta minus alpha. Okay, what is that? Cos of theta plus alpha into cos of theta minus alpha plus sin of theta plus alpha into sin of theta minus alpha. Okay, so direct formula only, no, that is, what is that formula? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. That formula only, no, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this is the formula for that, cos of A plus B. Okay, here they given plus, no, so that's why here this is the cos of A minus B. Okay, so cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, so which is equals to, here at the place of A they given as theta plus alpha, B they given as theta minus alpha. Now here cos of A minus B, which is equals to cos of A is equals to theta plus alpha minus B is equal to theta minus alpha. So which is equals to cos of theta plus alpha, minus into plus is minus theta, minus into minus is plus alpha. So plus theta minus theta gets cancelled. So which is equals to cos of alpha plus alpha is equals to 2 alpha. What is that answer? Cos of 2 alpha. So which option is correct? Yes, first option is correct, that is cos of 2 alpha. Okay children, see that next question. Yes. Say that sine of 255 degrees. Sine 255 degrees. This one we need to find out. Here you may get the doubt, ma'am, here we don't know the 255 degrees value. Yes, we have to find out. Already I told you know how to write this. So sine of 180 degrees plus 75 degrees. 180 plus 75. 180 plus 75 is equal to 255 only, no? So that's why. So sine 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta means that one lies in that third quadrant. So Q3. So in Q3 sine is positive or negative? Negative. So 180 is there means there is no change in its trigonometric ratio. Minus sine theta. Theta is minus sine 75 degrees. Okay. So here we can write this one as minus sine 75, we can write it as 45 degrees plus 30 degrees, known values. Okay, sine of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. So here minus sine of 45 plus 30, that is in the form of sine of A plus B. So sine of A plus B formula is sine A cos B. Sine 45 degrees and cos 30 degrees. Okay, sine A cos B plus cos 45 degrees sine 30 degrees. Okay, what is that? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B formula. Okay, which is equals to minus of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. And cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. So we have to learn these all values. So cos 45 degrees again 1 by root 2. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Now simplify that. Here root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2. Okay. So 1 into root 3 is root 3. Plus 2 into root 2 is 2 root 2. Okay. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Minus of. So which is equals to minus of. Again here those two also having the same denominators, no? So that is 2 root 2. And here we have to add that its numerators. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so this one only we can write it as, here 2 root 2 is there, no? So we can product with numerator and denominator. Minus of root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into both also multiply with root 2. Okay, RF. So, which is equals to minus of root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Okay, here minus of root 3 into root 2 is root 6 plus 1 into root 2 is root 2 whole by here 2 root 2 into root 2 is 2 into 2. So, which is equals to minus of root 6 plus root 2 whole by 4. So, this is the answer, but options they given as wrong. So, any one of the option you can change that. Here minus of root 6 plus root 2 whole by 4. So, you can change that option 2. Option 2 is that correct answer. Okay, by 4 actually not given. So, by 4 you have to change this. Okay, so which option is correct now? Option 2 is correct. So, in your material they given like this option. So, just you have to verify it. Okay, so see that next question. Sin 15 degrees plus cos 15 degrees. So, sin 15 degrees and cos 15 degrees, how we can write that? Sin 15 degrees plus cos 15 degrees. So, sin 15 we can write it as sin of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees plus cos of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Shall we write like this? Yes. Okay. Now, this is the form of sin of a minus b plus cos of a minus b. So, that formula right here, sin of a minus b, sin 45 degrees sin a cos b minus cos a sin b plus cos of a minus b, cos a cos b, cos 45 degrees cos 30 degrees, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, sin 45 degrees sin 30 degrees, sin a sin b. Okay, now these values we have to write here. So, sin 45 and cos 45, those two values are same. We know that, right? So, we can take that sin 45 and cos 45 values. What is that? 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Okay. Plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay. Next. Plus sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, is there any cancellations possible? Yes, 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, those two gets cancelled. And here these two are having positive sign. Okay, so this one we can write it as root 3 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. So here 2 root 3 as denominator, 2 root 2. 2 root 2 is that denominator and here its numerators root 3 plus root 3. So, 2 root 3 by 2 root 2. So, root 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So, answer is root 3 by 2. What is the answer? Root 3 by 2. So, which option is correct? Yes, option 1 is correct. Okay. So, children, see that next question. Yes. Sin 75 degrees minus cos 75 degrees. So, this is also like that only. So, just previous only we did this one. So, this one we can write it as cos 45 degrees plus 30 degrees minus cos of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Okay, 45 plus 30, 75 only, no? So, by using that condition. So, here this one we can write it as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, cos A sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus this is cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B is cos A cos B, cos A cos B. Actually minus no here. Okay, plus is there means minus, but minus into minus is plus. So, plus sin A sin B, sin 45 degrees sine 30 degrees. Now these values we have to substitute now. So sine 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2. Just like that previous only, but here symbols only changed. And here cos 45 1 by root 2, sine 30 degrees 1 by 2, minus cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2, plus sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2, and sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So which one is cancelled here? 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2. These two gets cancelled here. So 1 into 1 is 1 by 2 root 2, plus here also 1 into 1 is 1 by 2 root 2. So 2 by 2 root 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So answer is 1 by root 2. Answer is 1 by root 2. So which option is correct here? Yes, option 2 is correct. Okay, children. Okay, see here next, tan 15 degrees and cot 15 degrees. This is also easy only. See here how to do. So tan 15 degrees we can write it as sine 15 degrees by cos 15 degrees. Plus cot we can write it as cos 15 degrees by sine 15 degrees. Okay. So here sine 15, cos 15. So first simplify this. Sine 15 degrees, sine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Okay. Whole by cos of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Plus cos of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. Whole by sine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. So here when you observe that one, here numerator and denominator same, and here numerator and denominator same. So first I need to simplify that. Sine of 45 minus 30 degrees. 45 minus 30 degrees. So sine of A minus B form. So sine A cos B minus cos A sin B. So first this value we need to find out. So 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. So here which is equals to root 3 by whole by 2 root 2, root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. That is the value of sine 45 minus 30 degrees. Now here cos of 45 degrees minus 30. Now simplify this. Cos of A minus B. Cos 45 degrees cos A cos B. Minus there no, so that's why plus sin A sin B. Okay. So cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 1 by 2. So like this only no, root 3 by 2 1 by 2, and here 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. Here minus is there, here plus is there. So that's why root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is the value of cos 45 minus 30. Okay. Now here just write it. Above here numerator value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. That is the numerator. By denominator root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 whole by root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. So like this we got. So here 2 root 2 gets cancelled. Here also 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 gets cancelled. Okay. Now we need to simplify this. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay. So here denominator just take that LCM root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Okay, root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. And here cross multiplication. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1 whole square plus root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is root 3 plus 1 whole square. Okay, now simplify it. Root 3 minus 1 whole square. Root 3 minus 1 whole square means a minus b whole square formula. Root 3 whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, whole by, here a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square, square and root gets cancelled, square and root gets cancelled. So 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 root 3 plus, here this is also 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2 root 3. Whole by, square and root gets cancelled, so 3 minus 1. 2 root 3 gets cancelled. So 4 plus 4 is 8. By 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 8 by 2. 2 ones and 2 fours. So answer is 4. So what is the answer here? Answer is 4. Okay, so here answer is option 3. Answer is 4. Okay children. So in this video we discussed the problems up to 17. So continuation next problems we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you.